Today I'm sharing a super easy and delicious steamed tofu with crispy garlic. It is so simple. It can be done within 7 minutes. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 430 grams of soft tofu. Today I'm using fried soft tofu. This can be substituted with normal soft tofu as well. 100 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of cut spring onions, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We start with steaming the tofu. I have a steel netting over the steaming plate here. Steaming tofu tends to release a lot of water. So putting the netting like this, allow excess water to drip through it. Place all the tofu on the netting and arrange it nicely. I am boiling some water here. We are going to steam the tofu in this pot. Put the steaming stand and the tofu. Cover the pot and allow to steam for 7 minutes. If water has come to a rolling boil, reduce the steaming time to 5 minutes. While waiting for tofu to steam, prepare the sauce. Add in about 1.5 tablespoons of water in the tapioca flour. Mix until the flour has dissolved and leave it aside. In a different pan, add on the water, sesame oil, pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and garlic oil. Give it a stir and bring it to boil. Once the sauce is boiling, add in the tapioca flour mix. Give it a stir. Now we have a lovely thick sauce for the steamed tofu. Switch off the heat and leave it aside. By the time the sauce is ready, the tofu should be cooked. Alright, time's up. 5 minutes and the tofu is cooked. Remove the tofu from the pan and place it on a serving plate. Arrange it nicely. Here is the soy sauce mixture that we have prepared just now. Use a serving spoon to pour it over each tofu. Now sprinkle crispy fried garlic. And the spring onions. Alright, that is done. A very simple and delicious steamed tofu. Let's eat! Oh wow, so good! Steamed tofu and the sauce like this can blend so well together. This is best served with white rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!